Here we are on James's 58 Cadillac. Going to be changing out the water pump. We were over here last week to diag it. She was leaking out the front seal and launching water basically on the way out. Right out the front through the hub. So first order business, drain our coolant and we start getting our hoses out. So while our coolant is draining, began undoing our bolts. Obviously that one holds the generator as well. So the 4 mounting bolts on the passenger side are out. And we're working on our driver's side one. And of course, somebody didn't put either liquid Teflon or a little silicone or even at this point anti-seize. And I'm pretty sure somebody ran water through here for a while, and of course that's what happens. I mean, that was just by hand with a 3/8 drive, so fun. So we'll get the pump out the rest of the way, get the alternator, generator out, belt loosened up, get the power steering out, pull a radiator, and we'll see what we have when we get back in there. Well, I wasn't originally planning on pulling the radiator out, but now we have no choice because we need to probably drill that out. So, first order of business, undid the 2 cooler lines down there at the bottom and get our hoses off. And it's just 4 bolts. It's supposed to be 6, but it's 4. So someone half-assed it in the past. We'll get the radiator out and continue. Well, that's why our pump was leaking. Look at that play. Yippee, yippee, yippee. All right, so all the rest of our water pump bolts came out swimmingly, which is a positive thing. But of course, oh, there it goes. All right. Let that dribble, dribble, dribble. I'm gonna get that lower hose out, which is going to be an adventure. I gotta see what we got going on here. Maybe I'll take all this out together, but it's there. Just want to let it drain now. All right, so the radiator's out. Lovely, not correct flex fan, because, people obviously don't know what the fuck they're doing. I did put a bolt on each side on the pump, so getting the radiator out was a lot easier. I'm gonna pull those out, and we're gonna pull the pump. We're gonna take that fan off of it, and we're also going to see where our broken bolt is and how it looks. So all the bolts for the fan are out. Jesus. I never got that out in the car. Good Lord. I must have railed this on there. Beat it into submission. I'll try to fight this damn pulley off. Oh, that sounds lovely. Chunky bearing. Ugh. Yeah, that was definitely leaking out of there. Ugh. Yucky. That's nice. Now that we got the thermostat that was holy hell glued on. Oh God, look at how bad it is in there. That's terrible. What happens when you don't run proper coolant? least something to keep that from occurring. Ugh. Alright. Let's go check out what we gotta do next. So, this little guy out. Fun. And didn't do their job prior. Currently drilling out the broken bolt, broken, rusted, crusted, nasty bolt. Gonna get that drilled all the way through and then go up in size. Maybe try to get it out and save the threads, but I have a feeling we're gonna be doing either a time cert, or I'd hate to do a helicoil, but might have to do that. So drilling out the bolt, kind of kept going a little bit bigger and bigger just to try to get in there to see how bad we were. And it appears part of our problem is somebody broke something in the past in here, which appears to be a drill bit. So they just kind of got it clean and sent it, I guess you could say. So I went in with our die grinder and went straight in, just trying to get it drilled out. So, oh, this is gonna be fun. So I need to bring the torch over here probably. Get that baby good and hot. And then torch, get it out, get it hot, and go from there.